Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get my drum repair kit for you, and we're going to take a look in it and see what it's got. This should be pretty quick because YouTube won't take too many megabytes. So here we go. Opening my drum repair kit, and it's full of all kinds of goodies. I'm going to set it aside over here. First thing I've got for you is a wide assortment of plugs. There you go. Some other things that we might have in our toolbox that should look familiar to you, as should this. That one needs some work. Ooh, different sizes. Different sizes are good. This is the anesthesia in case somebody gets injured on the job, and this is for pulling teeth. There's the bolt. That's what I'm looking for right there. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. What does this look like to you? Oh, pull it down so you can actually see it. Should be something in your book. Here's another plug. Oh yeah. Screwdriver. Yep, definitely need that. Extra rubber in case you need it. Some more plugs. Yeah, definitely. Everybody's favorite, duct tape. Some other stuff. I don't know if you can read that or not. Multi-purpose epoxy stick. Extra clamps. Wrench. Lots of other paper clips, lots of other stuff. So this is my drum repair kit. If you have any comments, we're going to have a chance to talk about this hopefully. So here it is. Thank you.